All. This is Devi of JK Engineering College, and I am here to explain of our project which initiated by IBM and Government of Tamil Nadu. Our project name is Science Smart Connectivity for Better Road Safety. We did the project team of 4 members. I am team members are R Nandini, T Priyadarshini, K Nitya and Prabhu. So basically designed Python code for executing our project. So here is our Python code. I am going to execute this code. Is now published to device which created an IBM IoT Watson. So in this output we can which see temperature the messages, sign, speed and visibility. How check the output IoT platform? So this is IoT platform. This is device I created device node. So let's the recent events. So yeah, in the output which receive Python code is basic displayed the IBM IoT watch and device so app. We can temperature, this is temperature. We need help right direction. Now for utilizing this output interface, we use the node rate. In node we are used making 5 functions. There are temperature, speed, sign, visibility and message. So these 5 functions are used and displayed in the user interface. So I am using the interface app. This is a user interface we get from the node red software. So temperature showing in throw direction is science board here. This is speed is mention air and visibility mention air. So for better after interface we are making an MIT app inventor and we explain the my team number. Now moving on next page. Go to the MIT app inventor.
Now, moving on the next stage, we go to the MIT App Inventor, and there are three basic screens where we can see that is given one this opening page or the basic intro page, and in this page we can start off like any other application to give an opening or details about what this app and what is going to give the this front end and for according to the back end for the page. We can see that for any intro or display we have here, we give the back details such as for any intro, you give us intro and start, and since it is login page, we given an open other screen, another which is second screen which moves on from the first screen, which is also known as redirection, and redirects into the login page. And after the login page we need to given the login details the with app any, as and for this app we need the username and password, and as far as a username and password goes we can give any username password as desired in this next page backend of this page. We can see that the username is given as admin, the password is given as admin. It need to be same. We can give anything we want, but since it is admin and admin, here we feed the data as such as just to show a password or at a hint that we may forget the password. At times since may forget, we just give a password in like it shows as what is password to we given as and can act as an int. And here since you are given admin for both, it displays and hint know as admin for both, which once again varies according to case to under case. Once we into the page we have various details such as diversion. which means we can divert according to the route we want the temperature. It displays the temperature in the location. And moving forward, it also shows speed and visibility in the travel location. And this once again the front page of this, and we have a back page or back end in which we go into the in-depth details. And here to left diversion is mentioned as left arrow, left arrow. Right dimension is mentioned right arrow. And the u-turn page is displayed with a u-turn as according to normal road travel norms. Now moving on to the back end, here we for the left diversion or any we have many also have given the URL from the node red, because we collect the data and according to the data only we display our diversion signs or temperature. Since we collecting the data from the node red, we give our node red link so the data received from us. And moving on to the next step, the diversion in signs we have
We
given.
finally get the details of where displayed in an organized manner as like an app, and in this we can see that the details are displayed such as the speed, temperature, the visibility, etc. are mentioned there, and starting with the letters explained from the first we go into the page where the username and password is typed, and how we have make sure the username and password matches, because if it is does not, it is going on show an error and pop up. But no problem, we have given a login alert, so even though we mismatch, it would show us the password. Now moving on, these are the things that are going to be displayed: diversion, temperature, speed, limit, visibility, etc. And now according to that BC of the temperature displayed is 26.36 degree centigrade. Speed, slow, visibility is clear weather, and we also get an alert that need help. A police station is ahead, or you have any schools ahead, it will display to slow down. There are many alerts which displayed according to the correspondence of the data.